Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and I am Upeksha Herat. Today onwards I will be walk you through with the React tutorial series, and if you are a beginner who is willing to learn web development with React, that means front-end development with React, then you will be able to follow along this course. And first of all, I'll walk you through with some of the basics in React, and later on I'll be cover up some of the projects, and then you will be able to go through with React easily. And I'll go with React with JavaScript. By the way, you can use TypeScript also with React, but as most of the guys are somewhat familiar with JavaScript, I thought of going with JavaScript. Okay guys, with that said, let's get start your React journey. First thing first, if you need to create a React application in your computer, you have to configure your development environment. For that, you need Node.js installed in your computer, and also you need a text editor. First of all, to download and install Node.js in your computer, just head over to nodejs.org, and then you have these two options. I'll go with this LTS, long-term support version, and after downloading this one, you have to give next, and already Node.js will be installed. It's a very straightforward thing. I'm not going to walk you through with installation of Node.js. And after installing Node.js in your computer, you will have the ability to access Node package manager. Then you can create your own React application. That's why we're gonna install Node.js. And apart from that, you also need a text editor to code whatever JavaScript, HTML, and this React. For that, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code, but if you're willing to use another kind of a text editor, it will be Atom or Sublime Text or WebStorm, whatever. Just go through with that particular text editor, but I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. If you are willing to download and install Visual Studio Code, it's pretty straightforward. Just go to code.visualstudio.com, and if you are using a Windows machine, just download this one and install. And if you are using a Mac, then you have this option. If you are using a Linux, then you have this option. Depending on your OS, choose your text editor and download and install this text editor. And with Node.js and Visual Studio Code, you will be good to follow along this course. And yeah, that's how you have to develop your programming environment. I hope you guys have already downloaded and installed Node.js and Visual Studio Code. If you have already downloaded and installed Node.js, you can check whether it's correctly downloaded using your CMD. Just open up your CMD, and in CMD give the command node-v. It will prompt you the current Node.js version which you have already downloaded and installed. And also just search for Visual Studio Code, and you will be open Visual Studio Code like this. And now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a React application. To create a React application, you have some various options, but I'm going to create a React application using Vite. It's one of the most popular choices in these days. To create a React application using Vite, head over to this vite.js.dev/guide, and in here you will be able to find out that how you can create a React application in detail. What you just need to do is that copy this command. By using this command, you will be able to create a React application using Node package manager. And what you need to do is that after copy paste that code, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a new folder in my desktop, and I'll give a React tutorial, that kind of a name for this directory, and just drag and drop to your VS Code, and it will open up that particular folder. And after that, you need to open up your terminal using VS Code. For that, go to terminal, give this new terminal option, and just copy paste the code which you copied in Vite website. And after that, give that command and press enter, and it will ask you that what is the project name which you need to give for your React project. I'll give that demo, and then it will ask you what kind of project which you need to create. I need a React project, and then it will ask that do you need to use TypeScript, JavaScript, likewise, and I'm go through with JavaScript as previously mentioned. And well, now your demo project is has already created. And the thing is that now you have to go to this demo project. For that, give change directory command, and give this folder name, and you can give that demo name also. Then you will be head over to this demo directory. Now you can install the packages which you need to run this React application. For that, give the command npm I, and it will install download and install all the dependencies which you need to run this particular React application. It will take some time depending your download speed. Okay, after giving that npm install command, all the dependencies have downloaded and installed in your project. And now you need to run your development server. For that, just give npm run dev command, and it will spin up your development server, and it will give the port which it runs, and just navigate to that, and you will be able to see your React application is up and running. This is how you can create a React application. It's a very simple thing. And okay guys, that's it for this video. In next video, I'm going to talk about the folder structure of this React application, and we'll learn about some of the basic concepts in React. That's my plan for the next video. Let's meet in next video.